Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul, with me Chef Amy.
Hi.
And we got Chef Alex.
Hello.
So today we're going to be trying something a little really weird. And this is something we've seen from KFC. And KFC is a place that I absolutely will not go to for any reason. So I'm going to take 1 cup of flour, probably not even a whole cup, doesn't matter. And KFC is a lot of deep fried garbage, and I don't like deep fried. Neither does Amy.
No.
So we're not doing that.
And if you're curious what Paul's about to make, it's something inspired by the pickle menu, but he's going to make it much better.
Yep, so we're going to be making pickle fries. So I've got 1 cup of flour, 1 jalapeno. Amy's going to be the one eating this, not me.
That's going to be really spicy.
Now that's a spicy meatball. I'm not going to add any salt to this whatsoever, because salt going in the fryer is going to make things moist. Could you grab me like 2 or 3 pieces of paper towel, please?
A paper towel?
Yeah.
But we are going to add quite a bit of pepper.
So we don't really have a whole lot of pickles, so it is what it is. I'm going to put a little bit of onion powder. So Amy, what I want you to do is on the paper towel out here and get a fork.
Yeah.
And then take this out and start drying those off. And then I'm going to add finally some turmeric. You know, if I had a bigger source of pickles, I would probably wouldn't add the jalapeno. And Amy was really upset with me for buying that many because she said I was going to waste them.
No.
So I'm going to make sure that Amy gets her
How many do we need? All of them?
all of them.
The jalapeno was really good on the pizza you made yesterday.
I got a really big compliment. One of my Indian friends at Amy's work, Pooja, she's from India, of course, because I just said she's Indian, said that I did a really good job at matching Indian spice. So, hey,
It's a really big compliment.
I take that as a huge compliment. So I got that mixed up here, and then I'm going to take each one, and I'm going to have to wash my hands after, because
Yeah. That's good.
yep. I'm going to coat this
And if you're wondering how are we going to make these without frying them, well,
air fryer.
air fryer, yeah.
Yeah, see, if you watch Poul's Kitchen, I will not deep fry anything. I'll tell you a little story. I used to have this friend until she betrayed us.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm not going to mention any names.
No.
But she was having a lot of health issues, and she was eating our cooking. She started losing weight. She actually dropped 60 pounds.
Yeah.
And I was really proud of her because
She actually looked really good.
she looked great, and more importantly, her leg was starting to feel better. Her leg was feeling much, much better, and she could walk and she could do a lot of things with it. And I was really, really super happy with that. Okay, so we're gonna take this right into the kitchen, and then all of a sudden she had some other friends get involved, and then the whole idea of eating. No, Amy, if you do me a favor and spray the bottom of that, please.
But what really gets me is that she even thanked you for helping her eat healthier.
Yep.
And then all of a sudden her friends got involved and she started deep frying everything because the air fryer was too good for her. It was good enough for her, and she
Maybe she didn't know how to use the air fryer.
well, she knew how to use
Oh,
it.
she knew.
Oh.
She just didn't want to. She
She
started not caring about herself.
And again, we're not going to mention any names.
So I'm going to put that on for 10 minutes, then we're going to flip it, and then once this is done, we're going to come back. Everybody's equipment's going to be a little different, so pay attention to what you're doing.
Yeah.
It may work out great, may not, but actually, you know what? Forget this. I'll be right back. Talk to you.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna be really good.
That is gonna be really good.
Yeah.
Much cheaper than buying it from KFC and much healthier too.
Much healthier. It only takes 20 minutes.
Amy, would you try pickle Pepsi?
No. That sounds disgusting.
What sounds disgusting?
Pickle Pepsi.
Pickle Pepsi.
Pickle Pepsi, you want to tell them about that?
You know what? I really don't actually. Pickle Pepsi just sounds disgusting.
But it is legit.
It is legit. If you're wondering, so I'm gonna put some mayo in here, and this is just for a little bit of dipping sauce. I'm not gonna put a whole lot because there's really not much to eat.
If you're confused about what we just said, pickle Pepsi is something that KFC is now.
Just came out with.
Yeah. I don't
New
know.
little thing that KFC is introducing. It seems like an interesting thing, especially if you're like me and you like to try new and unique things.
Especially if you like different flavors and new flavors of pop, but I think that's kind of crossing the line a little bit.
Yeah.
To me, yeah, I'm not gonna try it. I don't.
No.
I mean, normally I'd be like, Amy, you gotta get me some of this. You need to get me some of this. I really want this. No,
No.
not at all. Not even in the slightest.
I wouldn't try
So that's a
pickle.
little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, and I'm gonna put a dash of apple cider vinegar.
I wouldn't try pickle Pepsi even if it was offered to me for free.
If it was offered to me for free,
It'd be different. You would probably try it.
I would try it. I'm not saying I'd drink it. I need a little bit more mayo. I mean, I might try it. I don't know that I would do much else, but I put too much of everything else in.
Doesn't mean you'd like it though.
What?
So this is actually some of our chipotle sauce.
Oh.
So that's alright. Not what I was going for.
You thought it was mayo.
I did, but it's fine.
We have mayo.
We do. Oh yeah,
That's spicy.
it is spicy. That's alright. That is perfectly fine. Amy, you want to take a spoon and just taste a little bit of that, please?
Yeah, that's spicy. I spilled though.
Of course. Amy's queen of skill. It is what it is. Alright, so please hit the like, share, subscribe button. When these are done, we'll be back and we'll do a little bit of taste test. I think this is going to work good. I really do.
Yeah, I think so too.
Let's hope, and maybe we get somebody to buy me a thing of pickles and I'll make more. But we'll be back when it's done. Welcome back. So we're done. So say hi to Amy.
Hi.
Say hi to Alex. You barely ever get to see him.
Hi.
Hey, say hi to your parents.
My mom, my dad.
These are pickle fries. They look pretty good, and this is our sauce. This is how I like to get a nice close up so you can see what we're doing here. Okay, guys, I want you to take one piece each and dip it. Or no, don't dip it. Just take one piece and eat it.
And then try one with the sauce?
Yep.
Mmm.
What's it taste like?
Really tangy,
Yeah.
sweet. It's really good.
It
Is
tastes.
it hot?
No.
I don't really know.
You should
Yeah.
try it.
I might try one.
Try one. So you get your opinion too.
Okay, now I know you guys aren't married and all, but you guys can get a little closer.
All right.
Okay, so now
Next.
take dip.
This looks like a pretty good piece. Now the sauce might be spicy.
Probably is.
Mmm.
How is
Yeah.
it? What do you think?
It's really good with the sauce.
Yeah, I really liked it too. It wasn't that
Gives
spicy.
it more flavor.
Gives it a really good kick.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna try one with sauce. I kind of wish I kind of had more money now to go and buy more pickles because I actually kind of feel like making a big batch of them now.
Mmm.
Oh, wow.
It's really good, isn't it?
It is. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Please join us on www.poulskitchen.com. We have our recipes and everything else. We do have WhatsApp. We are on Facebook.
Yep.
We are on IRC as well. So if you guys want to join us, we'd appreciate it. Let us know. And you guys have a great day.